is outside. My grandma just came, so the door is open, so I decided to put this on YouTube. Oh, she honked. Bye! Bye! Oh. Don't know if you can see me or not, but hello. Today we're going to, tomorrow we are going to be doing a skit. Well, later today, but for you guys it's probably tomorrow. Look for it. I don't have very much videos. I was just going to show you guys the outside and say it is almost Halloween, so hooray for that. Big yay. Halloween's almost here. It's next Saturday. And I'm going to get my Halloween costumes, and I'm telling you guys, I will bring my camera. I will probably bring my camera, no promises, but I'll probably bring my camera, and I will show you when I'm at the store and I'm getting my costume. Or I will bring it home, and I will show you guys on YouTube. So, yeah. Either way, I'm going to show you guys my costume. Bye.